Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to make BLDC drive or brushless motor driver. So we often have lot of motor with us from damaged PCs or from damaged CD drive, but we cannot use it in a different project. So I recommend don't waste those motor, use those motor with the help of BLDC drive or brushless motor drive. So in this video I will show you how to make a BLDC drive. Let's start the project. So friend, here is the BLDC motor controller. You can see it. So I have used IRFZ44N 3 numbers. Let's have a look into the circuit drawing. However, I will give the detailed sketch. So see where from this motor, that is yellow, white and green, where is connected with the middle leg of IRFZ44N. The red color is the positive. You can see it here. Let's have a close look. And the negative connection will be given from leg 3. So however, I will give you the circuit drawing, there is no issue. So let's start it. So friend, you can see it. I have started it. It has too much torque, however. So friend, here is the circuit drawing of brushless motor controller or BLDC drive. As I have stated earlier, I have used IRFZ44N 3 numbers. Diode are 1N4007 and resistance are of 10 kilo ohms. So let's have a look into the circuit drawing. And I think it is quite clear to you all friends. So friend, you can see it here, it is working without any issue. So by this way, with the help of IRFZ44N, you can easily make your own BLDC motor driver or motor controller, with which you can able to run the brushless motor. So with the help of this circuit, it is quite easy to run this type of motor. So don't waste your motor, this type of motor. It can be done with the help of this type of circuit. So I will upload the circuit drawing also. So the main thing is you must provide a good heat sinker, because the MOSFET will get heat, and if there is not proper cooling system, the circuit will damage. So friends, I think all of you have liked this video. So please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press like button. Thank you.